We circumvent Agrippa's trilemma, the self-contradictory Agrippa's trilemma, by admitting that certainty is impossible, since there is no absolute order and everything is in flux. And we must always deal in probabilities that must be constantly affirmed. What gives a belief a probability advantage is not only its cohesion, its references to an independently perceptible reality, verifiable independently, but also based on the consequences. The consequences relative to our judgments, our expectations, is what determines how accurate our judgments are. As long as the probability of one position is not challenged by another, it should remain what we call the truth. The truth is not an absolute. It's a evaluation of probability. In the first argument, the one concerning infinite regress, this is caused because existence itself is dynamic. It's not static, and it's not absolutely ordered. Therefore, infinite regress is how a consciousness attempts to adapt to what is fluctuating. On the second point about circular reasoning, X is true because X is true is logically invalid, because X is never absolutely true. X is a mental construct, a symbol referring to a mental construct, which is a simplification of what is dynamic and always in flux. So X can never refer to X, because X has changed the moment you return back to it. For the third argument, dogmatism or foundationalism, you begin with the self-evident, which is the apparent, which is a shared world. Given that the shared world can be approached from different directions, different perspectives, we do not stop there and assume it to be an absolute truth, but we return to it over and over again to affirm it through, again, the effects of the application of our positions.